Hello, I'm Caitlin Causey, and today I'm going to be talking about why we should regulate wildlife hunting. Each year, countless deer die, not because of hunting, but because they slowly starve. This is a real shed from a deer antler that I found after a hunting season. This is proof of how many deer are out in the overcrowded forests. Where food is scarce and predators are more, it's a harsh reality that often gets overlooked. Hunting might seem cruel at first glance, but the truth is that without it, many animals would suffer way worse. Whether you are an animal lover, a hiker, or just someone who cares about the environment, this issue affects all of us. When nature becomes unbalanced, we feel the effects through damaged ecosystems, dangerous roadways, and the loss of biodiversity. I've been hunting since I was 6 years old, and I've seen firsthand how well managed hunting supports wildlife in the land we all share and live on. Today, I want to persuade you that regulating hunting is an essential tool for wildlife conservation and ecosystem management. We will look at how it helps control overpopulation, funds crucial conservation works, and keeps ecosystems balanced and healthy. First, I'd like to talk about regulating hunting prevents an overpopulation of environmental destruction. Without natural predators like wolves and bobcats in many areas, there's wild hogs and other species that multiply. This leads to habitat damage, starvation, and the spread of disease. According to Chad Davenport in the Everyday Conservation, this hunting is one of the few efficient tools. Wildlife agencies have to manage these growing populations too. Many animals in one place puts a strain on food and water, driving competition and causing effects that cost lots of habitats and biologists money. Use careful controlling hunting seasons to reduce numbers in a humane and balanced way, keeping populations healthy and ecosystems intact. And this isn't just about the rural issue. Overpopulated deer have led to an increase in car accidents and the destruction of crops and gardens in the suburban areas too. I want to talk about the hunters that play a huge financial role in funding conservation. You don't have to ever hunt yourself to benefit from it. Every time a hunter buys a license, a tag, or a piece of hunting gear, a portion of that money goes back into protecting wildlife and preserving public lands. Andrew Moore from NC State College, a natural resourcer, explains that since the Pittman-Robertson Act passed in 1937, hunters have contributed more than $14 billion into conservation with funds. It helps support endangered species programs and maintain public parks and trails, and restoring habitats for other species. A lot of our conservation work would stall or disappear entirely. Lastly, hunting keeps ecosystems healthy by controlling dominant species. When one species dominates in an area like wild hogs in our state, it pushes out other animals and affects the vegetation and wrecks the land. Regulating hunting helps maintain the balance, giving a less aggressive or endangered species more room to survive and live happy. As Hunter.com describes, hunting is used to maintain species that damage habitats or spread disease. The Davenport article also gives and explains where deer overpopulated led to soil erosion in forests that die off by managing the population through seasonal hunts is conservationist. It can also prevent suffering and habitat destruction. So let's get back to the starvation of the deer from earlier. It didn't die because someone hunted it. It died because no one did. When done responsibly, a regulated hunting season helps maintain wildlife populations and funds vital conservation efforts and protects the natural balance that all life depends on. I'm not asking you to pick up a rifle or become a hunter overnight, but I'm asking you to see regulating hunting for what it truly is, a conservation strategy that saves more animals than it harms, and a practice that helps protect the wild places we all love. Thank you for watching.